I constantly get asked questions about the keto diet. So I put together this two-part series answering 10 questions that keto diet beginners have. Each question is broken down into easy to understand answers, perfect for beginners and anyone who's confused about certain aspects of the keto diet. So let's keto on. Question number 1. What is the keto diet? Well, the keto diet, also known as the ketogenic diet, is a low-carb, high-fat, moderate protein way of eating. It puts the body into a state of metabolic ketosis, which leads us to our next question. What is ketosis? Well, the body begins to release glucose stores. The liver starts to use fat you eat to develop ketones. The body begins to burn ketones or fat instead of carbs or sugar. So how do you know you're in ketosis? There are 4 ways to tell if your body is in ketosis. Well, 4 methods you can use. 3 of those methods will cost you money. Those 3 methods are urine strips, breathalyzers, and blood testing kits. In general, unless you're tracking ketones for medical reasons, the average person doesn't necessarily need to know their ketone levels beyond knowing if they're in ketosis or not. Personally, for my lifestyle, I use the fourth method, or as I call it, the free method. I can tell I'm in ketosis by listening to my body. So when I'm running off of ketones, I feel completely different than when I'm running off of carbs. I'm more energized. I can go longer periods without feeling any sort of hunger. My mind is clearer, and I don't have any cravings for carbs, sugars, or candies. If it's your first time going into ketosis, you'll be able to easily tell you're in ketosis by getting this sort of fruity taste in your breath. It's nothing to be worried about. It's not permanent. It's actually just excess ketones leaving your body. But once your body gets adjusted to ketosis, that fruity taste stops. So question number 4, is the keto diet easy? After all that information, it may seem like the keto diet is a little difficult, but it's actually pretty easy, and it's one of the easiest diets that I've ever been on, and it's actually a lifestyle for me. After some minor adjustments, I still get to fill up on my favorite foods like chili, broccoli cheese soup, and breakfast muffins, all while eating healthy and losing weight. My sugar cravings have disappeared, and I've never felt better. So, is the keto diet expensive? If you haven't cooked much at home prior to starting the keto diet, your initial grocery trip could cost you a little more than you normally spend. Staying on track with a meal plan will help keep costs low. And using a meal plan, I've been able to cook so many tasty and easy keto meals for my whole family to enjoy. So instead of buying separate ingredients and preparing multiple meals like I've had to in the past with other diets, I can make delicious, low-carb, keto-friendly meals for my whole family. Back with part 2 of 10 keto questions that beginner keto dieters ask. So let's keto on. First question, what types of food can I eat? Now this is $1 million question. Everybody loves food. And I love food. So the biggest turn on for me when incorporating keto into my life was the types of food I could eat. You can enjoy things like eggplant, spaghetti squash, lamb, beef, cream cheese, blueberries, even tempeh if you're vegan. It really depends on your lifestyle. So, can the keto diet help with medical conditions? The keto diet can help with medical conditions, and actually keto became popular in the 1920s for its success with childhood epilepsy. Nowadays, there are people with other medical conditions like diabetes who use the keto diet to reduce their reliability on medicine. If you do have a medical condition, it may be beneficial for you to talk to your doctor about keto benefits and create a health plan. So, do you need to exercise to lose weight on keto? You don't necessarily need to exercise to lose weight, but it will help you to speed up and maintain your weight loss and health goals long term. If you aren't currently active, I recommend doing a very light exercise routine. About a 20-minute walk around the neighborhood 3 times a week to start would be great. I personally do HIIT and weight training along with keto and intermittent fasting. So, can you drink alcohol while on keto? In general, most alcoholic beverages have a high carb count, so they should not be consumed as they might kick you out of ketosis. Good news though, there are light beers and clear liquors that you can enjoy moderately. Always check nutritional facts before drinking, and keep in mind that alcohol may affect you differently because your body is running off of ketones. So start slow and drink responsibly. So, last question of the day, where can I find keto recipes? So you can use search engines like Google and Pinterest for keto recipes, or on my website, easyketomenus.com. I'm always creating lots of keto recipes in my kitchen, and I include macro counts as well for those of you who want to track. But if you despise the very thought of constantly putting together keto meals, then check out my family-approved keto menu, my keto meal plan. I provide you with 4 weeks worth of easy keto recipes from breakfast to dinner, plus healthy snacks. I'll have links in the description bar for you to check out. And until next time, my Easy Keto family, have a great day. Bye.